How old are you?
16 today.
This is exactly what we're talking about.
It's a good answer.
Bingo.
Go somewhere, live dangerously.
My initial instinct was to cast people from the Newtown area to play the parts. There are creative people in the area, but there's not necessarily a go-to organisation.
Are you on a real gamble? Try internet dating.
It's My Shout has provided opportunities for the young people of the area to take part and to identify what their goals and dreams are, and ultimately to succeed.
It was really like a good experience to look for these places, to use like local areas.
Progress is always good, but what you sweep away in the sands of time, sometimes you sweep away a history and you sweep away a lot of good things.
Tonight we want to once again recognise the talent that has emerged this year both in front of and behind the cameras.
This is a filmmaking initiative that has enabled thousands of people, communities, right across Wales to take their first step in the media industry.
It was amazing. It's just, I really wasn't expecting it, really.
I said to the man right there, like, you know, I didn't know what to say.
Happy, over the moon?
Pam bo'n galw i Miss World?
This is the moment you've all been waiting for.
I was scared.
Ha ha!